Welcome to Bike Tech Espresso. Today I will be doing the unboxing of the Meraki Espresso machine. This machine was purchased on Kickstarter, so I used my own money and you will be getting an unbiased opinion. This will just be an unboxing video, but I do plan on making a separate video to explain my experiences and do I recommend this machine. Overall, the unboxing experience has been really good. It looked like it was a really premium packaging. Everything was really secure. The parts on top looked premium, especially when you're taking them out for the first time. And even taking out the machine like I am here, you can see like it's sturdy. It's not gonna move. Throughout this unboxing, I'm really also testing to see the quality of the build. A lot of people online said those sliders that people use to brew or start the steam if you want to use the manual paddles, that they looked cheap. So you're going to see me like wiggling some of this stuff around to see what is the build. Is it good? Is it plastic? Is it wiggling? And if there is any issues, I would definitely say contact the Meraki support team. I've been in touch with them mostly for questions, and they've been really good in terms of response. And at this part of the video, I essentially tried to remove the plastic tabs that they have on the main scale. I tried to flip the camera upside down so you can really see, because I actually had a really tough problem with like getting this out, and actually seeing underneath it really kind of helped. And after removing all these pull tabs, I really start to assemble the bottom base. So I put in the drip tray and test the dosing cup to see how magnetic it is. I also work to set up the main scale, which you're going to use for your brew. Both the main scale and the side scale for the grind, they have this like rubbery part on it. So I just work to assemble that. For the main scale, you just have to make sure it goes in the proper direction, and you'll see me kind of flipping it over to see. And for the steam wand, I really go carefully with peeling this. I know some other people online said that they were having problems. I didn't experience any. And with all that done, now I start pouring in the water to the tank, which I will put the tank back on the back and start the machine to prepare it for the very first espresso pull that I have. And with the first pull, I actually do change out the basket. I use a Pullman basket instead of the Meraki, even though the Meraki basket seems like a very premium build. I do think the baskets are preference to like how you like your extraction times. So yeah, I will be using the Pullman. That is my go-to, and again, that's more of a preference thing. Only due to this being my very first time I'm using the scale, I actually do use a side scale. So I will measure 18 grams. I'm going to do an 18 to 36 dose. I measure it on my scale separately. I pour it into the Meraki grinder. I know the Meraki has a scale, and that is actually what I use day to day. But just for the very first time, for that first dose, an initial one, I do use a separate scale to measure out 18 grams, put it in there, and kind of go. As you see, it kind of was a little short from what I had on my scale on the side. And with the very first one, I will be doing WDT. I use an S-Works funnel and an Amazon WDT tool just for the distribution, get it nice and fluffy in there. And I will be using the Meraki distribution tool. I personally like using it, makes it nice and flat in the beginning. And then finally, I'm gonna use the Pullman Big Step to actually tamper everything down. And I think it looks pretty good. I do use an S-Works Design puck screen. That's kind of my go-to just because the pucks like to be a little watery, as you'll see later on in the video. And I do use pre-infusion. I believe in this configuration, I used a 7-second pre-infusion. Again, 36 grams out, 18 grams in. And as this shot is pulling, you're probably gonna notice that it's gonna come out really fast, which means I need to adjust my grind size. But that is the fun experience about, dialing in your machine with the beans that you're using. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please look in the future for a video about my review about this machine and the experiences that I have with it. Thank you so much, and subscribe to Bike Tech Espresso.